What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Real Estate Quickie, where you get to ask an attorney. Today, we have a great guest. We have a sharp young attorney with us today who handles real estate, probate, and family matters. We have Claudia Cobreiro. Welcome.
Hi, guys.
Okay, fun fact about Claudia. She is an identical twin. So if you ever wanted to know what her sister looks like, here you go. Okay, usually we ask an attorney a set of questions that I get from clients and viewers of these videos. But this week we're going to switch it up a little bit, and we're going to address some things that we are both hearing in the market that turned out to most of them be myths. So the first one we hear is that probated estates are not selling in this market in this time of COVID. What do you think, Claudia?
I disagree. I think that there is a motivation for probated estates for the heirs that acquired this property to sell the property. There's a little bit of uncertainty in the market and what's going to happen in the next coming months. And as you know, there is a moratorium on evictions that prevents them from getting rid of tenants that aren't paying rent. So I do think that there's a little bit more motivation than usual for these heirs to get rid of these properties.
Okay, excellent. That makes sense. Next one is we hear that people think the courts are closed. How's that going?
The courts are physically closed, like a lot of establishments are closed, but we are still conducting hearings via Zoom. We have had no choice but to be able to migrate, and so your attorneys are still in the office like me, attending hearings via Zoom, and things are still getting done online.
Fantastic. All right, we know that regular real estate is still moving, and what about in your role? Is everything happening in slow motion on the probate side?
So a lot of people believe that everything is happening in slow motion because of COVID, but in reality, what I've seen is that some things are actually happening faster than usual. So summonses sometimes are being issued quicker, case numbers. The other day I got the case number the same day, which is unheard of. And in general, the judges are signing orders a lot faster than they did before. However, there are some things that are being done a little bit slower. You know, everybody migrating to Zoom has been a learning curve, and sometimes we have internet issues, and the hearings take a little bit longer than usual, but the good news is that they're getting done and we're not having to wait until the courts open again.
Awesome. Okay. All right. So just to kind of recap what we covered, probated estates are in fact selling in this market. The courts are closed, but still we've pivoted and are using technology to keep things moving ahead. And everything is not happening in slow motion because some things are actually happening faster. Does that about cover it?
Yep, that's about it.
All right, fantastic. So anyone watching this video, if you have any questions for Claudia, please connect with her regarding probate or any of the other practice areas. Thanks for joining us, guys, and connect with us soon.